kick it. Just kick it.
Ryan, that's your own goal.
Oh, no.
Hey, everyone. Welcome back to EnglishUp. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike.
Today's story, I scored on my own team.
Ouch. The classic own goal.
Mike, please tell me you've never done that.
Oh, I have. 6th grade basketball. I was so confused, I shot at the wrong hoop.
You scored for the other team?
2 whole points. My coach just stared at me.
What did your team say?
My best friend yelled, "Way to go, Mike! Wrong way!"
Brutal. But honestly, that's such a kid moment. Today's story is a soccer version of yours.
Before we hear it, 3 quick words to listen for.
Vocabulary preview.
3 quick words today. Let's start with team.
Team.
What's a team?
A group of people who play a sport together. Soccer team, basketball team. Same idea.
Right. The whole school cheers for the team.
Our next word is score.
Score.
To score is to get a point. He scored in the last minute. Or, what's the score?
And finally, coach.
Coach.
The coach is the person who trains the team. Yells a lot. Cares a lot.
My coach yelled my name across the whole gym that day.
3 words. Team, score, coach. Let's hear what happens to Ryan.
All right, team, listen up. Ryan, you're starting at defender today.
Me? Coach, this is my first match. I don't know if I...
You earned the spot in practice. Just give it your all out there.
You got this, Ryan. Stick with me. I'm right next to you.
Okay, I can do this.
Game on.
Ryan, heads up. Ball's coming your way.
Where's the goal? Where's the goal? Over there! Take that!
Ryan, no, wrong way. That's our goal. That's an own goal.
Oh, no. Oh, no. I scored on my own team.
Hey. Tough luck, man. Shake it off.
Everyone saw. Everyone's laughing.
Nobody cares. We've got a whole half left. Give it your all, and we'll get it back. Ryan, forget that play. Second half, you're going forward. I want you on the attack.
Forward? But
You've got the leg, kid. Use it for the right team this time. Ryan, open on your left. I'm sending it.
Got it. Back to you, Marcus.
Goal! Ryan, that pass, that was perfect.
And that's the game! Way to go, both of you! I assisted. I actually assisted.
What just happened?
Okay, that ending got me. He turned it around.
What a comeback! From own goal to assist in one game.
That's the thing about sports. The hardest part isn't the mistake. It's what you do after.
Did your basketball coach put you back in?
He did. I missed 2 more shots, but at least they were the right hoop.
Progress. Slow but steady.
Ryan got 5 really useful phrases out of that game. After the break, we'll go through them.
Language takeaway.
First, let's break down own goal.
Own goal.
Mike, what's an own goal?
When you accidentally score for the other team. Oof, painful.
Coach yelled, "That's an own goal." You can also use it for life, like, I told my mom I broke her vase. Total own goal.
Shake it off.
shake it off, to stop worrying about a mistake and move on. Marcus told Ryan, shake it off.
I missed the bus, but you know what? Shake it off. Next one's coming.
Give it your all.
Give it your all. To try as hard as you can. Coach said, give it your all out there.
Or before a test, just give it your all and don't look at the clock.
Way to go.
Way to go! Happy way to say great job. Coach said, way to go, both of you.
Way to go. That's huge.
And finally, tough luck.
Tough luck. A way to say too bad. That was unlucky. Marcus said, tough luck, man.
Or you missed by 1 second? Oh, tough luck.
5 phrases. Own goal, shake it off, give it your all, way to go, tough luck. Now let's hear the whole game one more time and catch every detail.
All right, team, listen up. Ryan, you're starting at defender today.
Me? Coach, this is my first match.
You earned the spot. Give it your all out there.
You got this, Ryan. Stick with me.
Game on! Ryan, ball's coming your way! Where's the goal? Over there! Take that!
Ryan, wrong way!
Oh, that's our goal. Own goal. Oh, no, I scored on my own team.
Tough luck, man. Shake it off.
Everyone saw.
Give it your all next half. We'll get it back.
Ryan, second half, you're going forward.
Open on your left! I'm sending it! Back to you, Marcus.
Goal! That pass was perfect.
That's the game. Way to go, both of you.
I actually assisted.
Cultural note.
Quick culture note. In Taiwan, PE class, kids call it 体育课, happens almost every school day. Soccer, dodgeball, basketball, you name it.
Adding, in the US, it's called gym class. Same idea, different name. And lots of schools have a real after-school team you have to try out for.
The coach really matters. A good coach turns a kid like Ryan from devastated to comeback hero in one game.
Sports give you the best language for everyday life. Way to go. Give it your all. Shake it off. You'll use these forever.
Today's recap.
Today's words: team, score, coach. Phrases: own goal, shake it off, give it your all, way to go, and tough luck.
Use shake it off the next time something goes sideways. It's the most useful one.
Your turn. What's your most embarrassing sports moment? Did you score an own goal, trip running, drop the ball?
Drop your story in the comments. Bonus points if you came back like Ryan did.
And tell us what real-life situation you want us to cover next time.
If you're enjoying EnglishUp, smash that like button and subscribe.
And remember, even on a bad play, give it your all next half. See you next time on EnglishUp. Bye!